Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So today's video is all about changing your mind. It's okay to change your mind. After all, this channel is all about developing ourselves, becoming the best version of yourself. So part of becoming the best version of yourself is being able to allow yourself to change your mind. Especially as women, we may implement ideas in our head from when we're little. For example, when you're a young woman, you have an idea of what your wedding would be like, you have an idea of your life will be like, you're constantly being asked that question, what do you want to be when you grow up? And it's okay to diverge from that original idea that you had to become a different person. If you've always said you wanted to be a doctor, it's okay to change your mind to now becoming a model. Whatever serves you, whatever makes you feel happy, it's okay to change your mind. You're not locked into being somebody that you said you were going to be 10 years ago before you even had life experience. Life changes people, situations change people, experiences change people. You're constantly evolving, you're constantly becoming a different, better version of yourself. So it's okay to change your mind.